So how fast can you multiply 13 with 12? I'm giving you 3 seconds. Your time starts now. The time is up. The correct answer is 156. So let's check out the faster way of doing it. In order to multiply 13 with 12 quickly, all you need to do is add this digit to this entire number. Alright, so 2 plus 13 is 15, and you have the first two digits of your answer. Now for the last digit, all you need to do is multiply this digit with this digit. So 3 2 times is 6, so the answer is 156. Now isn't that easy? This method is known as base method of multiplication. This is in fact a very powerful technique of multiplying even the bigger numbers. Okay, and we'll be using it very frequently from here on. So let me just explain this method to you in more detail. To multiply numbers that are close to each other, isn't it? Like 13 and 12, they are quite close to each other. What we do, we take a third number which is called a base, which is closer to both these numbers. Now base should be a friendly number, a convenient number to multiply with, like 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, so on and so forth. These are primary bases. We can even take secondary bases like 20, 50, 150, 200. So we can take any base as long as we are comfortable with multiplying with it. So 12 is at the distance of plus 2 from 10, and 13 is at the distance of plus 3 from the base 10. Alright. Now to get the first two digits of your answer, all you need to do is add these numbers in a cross manner. So 3 plus 12 is 15, or 13 plus 2 is 15. Either ways you will get the same answer, so you are not likely to go wrong here. Alright. Now since base 10 has 1 0, so there is one more place to go. For that, all you need to do is find the product of the distance from the base. So 3 times 2 is 6, so we put 6 here. Alright. But in reality, we need not do all these steps. Okay. For numbers from 11 to 19, this digit is what the distance from the base is, isn't it? 2 is the distance from the base, 3 is the distance from the base. So we can do it directly. It will become all the more simple. That is what we did, that you add this 2 to this entire number. 13 plus 2 is 15. You will get the first two digits of your answer. For the last digit, isn't it, because base 10 has 1 0, so there is one more place here to go. You just find the product of this number and this number, this digit and this digit, that is 6. So let's take more examples. Let's see what is 13 times 13. So again, add this number to this entire number. So 3 plus 13 is 16, and you'll have the first two digits of your answer. For the last digit, because base 10 has 1 0, so one more digit to go. So just find the product of these two digits. 3 times 3 is 9, so the answer is 169. See, it's so simple. What is 15 times 14? So add this 4 to this entire number. 15 plus 4 is 19. For the last digit, what you do, 5 4 times is 20, so you carry forward 2, write 0 here. 19 plus 2 is 21, so the answer is 210. Are you getting the point? What is 18 times 15? So add this digit to this entire number. 18 plus 5 is 23. Now for the last digit, find the product of this digit and this digit. 8 5 times is 40, so carry forward 4, write 0 here. 23 plus 4 is 27, so the answer is 270. Now what is 22 times 13? Alright, since this is more than 19, so we actually have to find the distance from the base 10. 13 is plus 3 more than the base, and 22 is plus 12 more than the base. Now in a cross fashion, add this 3 to 22. So 22 plus 3 is 25. For that matter, even 12 plus 13 will give you 25. Now for this last digit, find the product of 12 and 3. 12 3 times is 36. So 25 plus 3 is 28. So this is your answer. Now what is 23 times 21? Alright, so again we are taking the base as 10. Alright, so 21 is plus 11 more than the base, and 23 is plus 13 more than the base. So 11 plus 23 is 24, 34. Again I have used the jumping 10 technique. Alright, now one more place to go. So 13 11 times. You know that to multiply any two digit number with 11, all you need to do is add the two digits and sandwich the result in between. So 1 plus 3 is 4. So the answer would be 143. So I'll write 143. Alright, now add the digits. So it would be 483. That's your answer. But then what I would say, that it would be much better if we take the base as 20 here. We would be learning how to take the base as 20 and how to go about it in the coming videos.